If you run a plant, you don't need one deck, you need 6. There's the follow-up after a customer audits your factory, the monthly ops review, quality and safety, supplier qualification, and then the capital request, which is the one that actually decides anything. And most of them get thrown together the night before. There are 5 things that decide whether yours gets signed off, and I'll get to those in about a minute. The problem is who's in the room. Your plant manager knows what OEE means, the buyer doesn't, and the finance director has probably never set foot on your floor. Same deck has to work for all 3 of them. So this one's in 8 parts, the same 8 every time. Who you are, the plant floor, performance, quality and safety, supply chain, automation, energy, and the business case. Right, the 5. First one. Every number on a slide has an owner and a definition, right there on it, not buried in an appendix at the back. Second, break your metrics open. If you put up one OEE number, somebody's going to argue with it. Split it into availability, performance, and quality, and there's nothing left to argue about. Third, show where you're losing it, not just where you are. A level on its own doesn't tell anyone what to do on Monday morning. And look, none of this is really about slides. Every number on these pages is somebody's shift. A changeover that ran long. A machine that went down at 4 in the morning. That's the whole thing, really. Alright, fourth, count your near misses and say the number out loud. A safety pyramid that hides its base isn't really telling you anything. And the last one, if you're asking for money, it needs a payback and a delivery plan. Otherwise, it's a wish. The charts are all live, so you're editing numbers, not pictures. 43 layouts, so it doesn't get repetitive. And everything in it is sample data. You bring the real numbers off your own floor. 100 slides, built properly once, so you're not doing this at midnight. It's free on the website, so just take it. And if you want more of them, subscribe.